short on time. This workout will melt belly fat fast. Do it for 30 seconds and take 10 seconds rest, just like it's shown. At the end, I'll give you some tips to help you lose belly fat faster. Let's get started.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Now time to rest. You can see the next exercise on the screen. Get ready for it.
nervously and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think
Let's get started.
turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Now time to rest. You can see the next exercise on the screen. Get ready for it. Let's get started.
Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man. All your music and arrangements.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Now time to rest. You can see the next exercise on the screen. Get ready for it.
A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah.
Let's get started.
Control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Now time to rest. You can see the next exercise on the screen. Get ready for it. Let's get started.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Now time to rest. You can see the next exercise on the screen. Get ready for it.
Greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list.
Let's get started.
Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I love this lame shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them down me, it's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak. This around me, they all about the clout. See, where the crowd be. Every time I speak
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Now time to rest. You can see the next exercise on the screen. Get ready for it. Let's get started.
Man, I just wanna be famous. And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
If you can do all the exercises without any problem, then repeat all the exercises shown in the video 2 to 3 times. That means, once you finish the full set of exercises shown in the video, do them again 2 to 3 more times. By doing these exercises, you'll start seeing changes in your belly within just 7 days. And to lose belly fat even faster, check out the best cardio workout given in the description box. Watch it and speed up your fat loss. Also, make sure to maintain your diet.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like